I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Verify Windows Edition, UEFI mode, and TPM2. 0. Boot into firmware using the manufacturer key. Once in, locate Secure Boot and TPM settings. Make a quick backup of game saves and important files before changing firmware options. Then confirm your system is set to UEFI and not legacy. This avoids future boot errors. Once done, prepare a Windows Recovery USB so you can restore boot components if something goes wrong, and keep your Valorant account credentials ready. Now focus on the complex middle steps. Enable Secure Boot in UEFI and select Standard Mode to accept Microsoft keys automatically. If Secure Boot prevents unsigned drivers, switch to Custom, enroll PK/KEK/DB keys from your OS vendor, and import vendor signatures. This preserves driver validation. After firmware changes, boot Windows and reinstall Riot Vanguard so it signs correctly with kernel driver enforcement. Make sure driver signature enforcement is active, otherwise Vanguard will fail. Finally, finish the process by rebooting and checking system information for Secure Boot. Enabled. Launch Valorant. If it fails to start, uninstall Vanguard, run sfc/scano and dism restore health to repair system files, then reinstall Vanguard and reboot. If Secure Boot still blocks drivers, verify DB/KEK entries and re-enroll Microsoft keys or restore firmware defaults only if you saved original keys. One key troubleshooting tip. Keep your recovery USB available to restore boot if enrolling keys caused an unbootable state, and contact hardware support if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.